something, guys. I'm really sorry about my video these days. Do you guys know what is going on? When I finish my makeup, you know, the setting that I set for the makeup, when I want to make food, I supposed to change it, but sometimes I will just forget and keep recording. I will almost, you know, I will remember at the end of the video that I did change the setting. So guys, I'm really sorry. I don't know, I always forget it. That's why my video is like this. You guys see the way it look, because I'm supposed to change the setting of the camera, but I will just start recording. I will forget to set it, you know. Yeah, sorry guys for that. I think I will start doing better now. Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you guys is doing great. You guys is doing fine. Yeah guys, today we're going to be making shin shin. Yeah, African shin shin. Yeah guys, if today is your first time of seeing this channel, this is Matilda cooking in Mati Kitchen. Welcome to Mati Kitchen. Welcome to my channel, guys. My returning subscribers, my new subscribers, thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate you guys. Today we're going to be making shin, and then I'm going to be flavoring it with onions. Yeah guys, if you have been making chin without onions, this you are really missing, you know. It tastes really good. I love the taste anyway. I don't know about you, but try it out, you will love it guys. And all the ingredients that I use, I'm going to list them in the description bar. In case if you are wondering, you just pop in there and look at the ingredients. You don't have to use the same quantity that I use. You can use any quantity, small quantity, a big one, or any one you want. You can. Guys, I'm really sorry I used my hand to miss this thing. I wasn't having hand gloves. I could have used hand gloves. Anyway, to use hand gloves, it would be really sticky and it would be pulling out of my hand. I could have tried to use hand gloves, but I run out of hand glove. That is why I used my hand. My hand was clean, guys. Sorry for that. I'm supposed to use hand gloves, I know. I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to leave you guys to keep washing. I'm going to leave you guys to wash. Make sure you wash to the end so you see all the details that I use. yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Did you guys see how it look? You can cut yours big, you can decide to cut it tiny if you want to, and you can decide to cut it any style you want to, any design you want to, you know. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. When you are subscribing, remember to turn on your notification bell, so whenever a video pop up, you will be notified. Yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye. Hi there.